Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to delete booking.com account. I wonder why you want to know how to delete booking.com account. Maybe because you're having some issues with your account, so you want to delete it. Or maybe you have created a new account, so therefore you want to delete the existing one. Or maybe you think that now you no longer need your account, so you just want to delete it, or there could be any other reason for you to delete your booking.com account. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can delete your booking.com account. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the booking.com app in your mobile phone. And if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app get installed, make sure you have created your account, and because you have not created your account, then you couldn't delete it. So just simply tap on the icon of the app to open booking.com. Once app gets open, you will see this interface. This is how the app looks. At the top you could see the title of the app, and you will see some of the options at the top and some of the options at the bottom as well. In middle of the screen there are different options through which you can book your flight and different hotels to stay. So this one is a home section, and along with that we have this one for save things. If you have saved anything, it will appear here. Other than save thing, we have booking option. So if you have booked any kind of place or car, they will appear here and you can get access to these. Other than that, we have this option. With the help of that, you could get into your account. Once you get there, first you will notice your name and you will see all these options. Every option here is different from each other and has its own purpose that it performs in this app. So from all these options, you have to select this manage your account option. Once you tap onto this option, you will get here. First, you will read a title of edit profile, and there you will see a lot of different options that are related to your account and personal information. Here, you just have to simply scroll down to the down of the page, and there you will see this option which says delete my account. So if you want to delete your account, just simply click on it and it will just take a while to load, and after that it will send a verification email to your email address. Now you just have to go to your email address, verify it, and once you get back, your account will be deleted. So you just have to simply go to your email, and once you get back, the app will be turned off. And once you tap on the icon of the app, there you will notice that no account has been logged in. That means your account has been logged out, or you could say has been deleted. So if you again want to get back to this app, then you have to create a new account. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can delete your booking.com account. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.